Hi guys, Gabriel here from digitalplus.tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the basic configuration of a Windows Server 2019. We are going to cover the system updates, the time zone of the server, assigning an IP, enabling remote desktop, and renaming the server. So let's go ahead and look for the system updates. To do that, we're going to do a search for updates and let's check for updates. Initially, when you're first installing Windows Server, you will find that there are going to be a lot of updates to do. So I'm going to speed up a little bit all the updates and get back right here after everything is installed. So now I have all my updates installed. It might require a restart of the server, so I'm going to do that now and get back to you in a jiffy. So now we are back and our computer just restarted, and we are going to open again Windows Update to check if there are any new updates. So here we go. We have all the updates up and ready. Okay, so we are up to date. That's good. Let's go ahead and start working our way through all the other settings that we need to do. We have our upgrades. We open Server Manager and we go to local server. In the local server, you will find the properties of the server. So you have the computer name, have the work group, and all the other settings. What we need to do next is to check and set up the time zone. The time zone, you will find it over here. We are going to click on that and change our time zone. I'm going to select this one. So this is my time zone. And click OK. The next step we need is to assign an IP address. But first, we need to find our IP address. So we're going to click on this link over here. Open, double click on the Ethernet and see the details. So right now, my IP address is 192.168. 111.97. So this is my IP address. This is a subnet mask, the gateway, DHCP server. So let's go ahead and edit this. Let's click on properties. If this setting it's enabled, you'll just go ahead and click and disable it. And I'm going to open Internet Protocol version 4 and use my IP address 111. I want to give it this IP with .2 at the end. The gateway, it's my router, which is 192.168.111.1, and as a preferred DNS server, I'm going to give it the same IP as my IP address. That is 192.168.111.2. And I will add also the Google's DNS server. Why I'm doing this is because for the moment I'm not joined in a domain. So in the next video I will show you how to do just that. But for the time being we'll use these settings. So click OK one more time and we'll wait to apply its settings. So here we go. We also have internet. We are good to go. Great. Now let's go ahead and I'll show you how to enable remote desktop. We go again here on our local server in server management, and you are seeing that remote management is enabled by default, but usually when you install Windows Server the remote desktop option is not enabled, so it will be disabled. You just click on it and select allow remote connection on this computer. You will also have another pop-up that you need to click OK and apply and OK. You'll click refresh and after a while everything will be refreshed. You can see that here I have my new IP address. One other thing that is important to do right now is to do a little trick that I've learned. Is to go to services, and inside the services you have two functions that you need to enable. So the first one is the function discovery provider host. Right click on properties and change it from manual to automatic. Hit apply and OK. And the same thing you're going to do for the other one. We'll change it from manual to automatic. Apply, OK. If they are not already started, you will right click and start the service. But I'm going to restart these two services. They are linked, so they're going to restart all the services also. So now we are good to go, and we are able to connect through remote desktop onto the server from another computer. Like I'm right now, I'm actually connected from another station to this computer. Next, we are going to rename our server. To do that, click on the computer name, change, and we are going to give it a name. I'll name it Windows Server 2019 Domain Controller 1 and click OK. In order to have everything updated, the computer needs to restart. So we are going to do just that. Close and restart now. As you can see, my computer have restarted, and I'll wait for the computer to load. Starting server management automatically might not be a great idea, but we can change that so our system can start a little bit faster in the future. To do that, we'll open Manage Server Manager Properties and click on it to specify that we don't need to start at logon, and we'll pin it on the taskbar for future use. As we close this program, it will stay over here. So thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. Leave a comment in the description, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.